This is my dizzy penalty for the global goals. Really happy that Sony Mobile are now sponsoring the Champions League.
Venga, 2, 3, come on. 45. 2, venga, 3.
Let's go. Try to do some rounds. Stay.
The best game I've ever played in, there's two that sticks in the memory. I think the Copa del Rey final against Barcelona where we won 2-1 and yeah, was lucky enough to score the winner in the 87th minute to lift the trophy, so that was an amazing feeling. And the second, when I was about 9 years old, I remember scoring 9 goals for my school team and yeah, got man of the match.